In this video we take you to the walking tour of Go Shopping Mall in Nhatrang, Vietnam. This mall offers a huge variety of groceries.
Step into the Nhatrang's finest spot, the mall's calling and it's looking so hot. Lights are shining bright, the energy's so real. Every store and corner's got that perfect feel. From fashion to food, there's so much to explore. Every floor is a journey, let's see what's in store. Walking through the mall, to the rhythm, to the beat. The train's heart is pounding right beneath our feet. Shopping, dining, fun for one and all. Come along with me, let's explore. Go mall. Check out the brands, they're stylish and sleek. Got that perfect outfit for the whole next week. Grab a bite to eat, the flavors will amaze. From local treats to global food craze. Escalators rise, the views are so divine. Every step we take is a never redefined. Walking through the mall, through the rhythm, to the beat. Nhatrang's heart is coming right beneath our feet. Shopping, dining, fun for one and all. Come along with me, let's explore. Go mall. Check out the brands, they're stylish and sleek. Got that perfect outfit for the whole next week. Grab a bite to eat, the flavors will amaze. From local treats to global food craze. Escalators rise, the views are so divine. Every step we take is a never redefined. Walking through the mall, through the rhythm, to the beat. Nhatrang's heart is coming right beneath our feet. Shopping, dining, fun for one and all. Come along with me, let's explore. Go mall. Oh, the city lights, they're shining through the glass. Go mall's the place where time just seems to pass. From morning till night, it's the place to be. A slice of paradise, but it's fun they see. Walking through the mall, through the rhythm, to the beat. Nhatrang's heart is coming right beneath our feet. Shopping, dining, fun for one and all. Come along with me, let's explore. Go mall. So thanks for joining, hope you had a blast. Go mall's the future, but it's rooted in the past. Until next time, keep exploring, have a ball. But this is your guide, signing off from Go Mall.